More than 560,000 pools are installed here in Quebec. And as of these, 75% are above-ground pools. And as the climate in Quebec is very erratic, it has to be top-quality material and the most recent technologies. We're currently at the Trévi plank in Mirabel. It is right here that the employee worked hard to produce up to 1,000 pools a week during the biggest production weeks. Trévi is a Quebec company founded by Mr. Clément Hudon more than 45 years ago. The company has been booming for several years now, and what most of us don't know is that Trévi exports half of its production. At the reception of the raw material, the steel rolls are unwound and then cold profiled to form different components of the structure. In the upstream of the profiling, the perforation units offer the possibility of making cuts and holes, and in the downstream, the profile is cut to the desired length. The integration of these online operations means a cost of production advantage as well as a control of quality standards. In order to offer its customers different ranges of products, Trévi also gives the possibility to buy a hybrid or full resin pool. The components are cut and punched according to the customer orders. Blank vinyl liner come in factory printed rolls to be cut into panels and assembled later. The plans are drawn on a computer and the liner is cut on a cutting table according to a diagram established with circular knives. The number of pieces to assemble to create the vinyl varies according to the size of the pool. When cut, the fabric sections are subsequently sealed together by a high-intensity heating technique. Meanwhile, the hanging profile that will be used to hold the liner on top of the wall of the pool will be welded to the vinyl wall using the retaining machine of the liner. Once completed, 100% of the fabrics must pass quality control before being folded and boxed. Operators receive raw steel rolls printed according to patterns previously created by our designers and must transform them into a corrugator. Corrugation is a series of folds used to increase the resistance of the pool wall. It vertically solidifies the wall, which is then cut to desired length, drilled at the location of the future water returns and skimmer, in addition to being bent at the ends to form a joint. It allows Trévi to offer a pool that stands out from competition by its solidity. Now the wall is finally ready to be rolled and boxed. In closing, the component boxes are sent to the Trévi Distribution Center, where a team prepares each order by completing it with the accessories chosen by the customer.